So here we are. Now it is sitting on the right hand side, and that is how you do entry justify. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to continue on with our Tkinter calculator series. So let's just pick back up where we are. So today we're going to look at if you're like me and you click this and it goes all the way to the left, and you're like me and that drives you absolutely nuts, and you think going from the right to left to build the number. So all right, let's learn how to tackle that. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We do micro videos, one subject at a time. So it's really quite simple to do, and it's as simple as this command right here. So like I hinted towards, to justify the placement, it's inside the ttk dot entry, then your window that it's going to be assigned to, and we've already created this, justify, and then literally we want this to be on the right. So there we go. It is literally that simple. Real small fast video, but let's save and run this. So here we are. Now it is sitting on the right hand side, and that is how you do entry justify. It's really that simple. So we will be continuing to build upon this because we're going to be running series concurrently, just still experimenting and seeing if that works for everybody, but having a lot of great feedback. I want to thank you guys very much for all the views, spending time finding this channel, watching, commenting. The shares are absolutely through the roof. So we will just play this out until we are done, and then we'll move on to another subject. So as always everybody, please drop any comments, questions, or any video requests down below, and I'll get right to them. And as always guys, thanks for watching, stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys. Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video, and if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye guys.